Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial where we talk about the TikTok application, and today we will show you how to manage notifications on TikTok settings. So let's go to the botchain. Right now we have to open the TikTok app, and as you can see here we are on our profile page. So to manage notifications smoothly, let's tap on the three lines icon, which is located at the top bar of the screen, and choose the settings and privacy option. Perfect. As you can see here, we have the special option like push notification, so let's pick on it one time, and then on the whole list we can successfully manage all of the types of notifications of this TikTok app. So if the toggle is green, it means that the option is activated, but if we tap on it one time, we will disable the selected feature. As an example, we can disable notifications of all of the likes on our account, or we can also manage the notifications of comments. From now on, we won't have any alerts and notifications popping up, notifications about all of the, for example, recommended live videos of other accounts. Also, we can manage all of the types like mentions, new followers, as an example. So when we will get some new follower, we won't know about it after tapping on this toggle here. So from now on, our TikTok is smoothly customized, but if you, as an example, want to disable all of the notifications from this app just to make this application silent, so we need to go to the settings app on our device. As you can see, this application looks like this, so let's click on it one time, and right now we can manage the notifications of the TikTok app. So let's pick on the notifications section here, and let's find our TikTok app from the list by swiping it to the bottom. As you can see here, we have the turned off notifications at all. Let's pick on it one time. I'm so sorry, notifications are allowed. So if they are activated, we also have this toggle green to disable all of the notifications. So from now on, we won't have any messages from the TikTok on the lock screen, on the home screen, any alerts, any messages, any notifications. So let's tap on this toggle one more time, and as you can see right now, our TikTok is mostly silent, in the silent mode. So from now on, you know how to manage your TikTok, how to make it silent, that no one can bother you. And don't forget about likes, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok, HardReset.Info and YouTube channels. Bye bye!